Yeah.
Number 1 was the crazy funky one, right?
It really
Okay.
was. And then you have...
Okay. And then?
I'm going to start with the bottom one first. And then what we would do is we would add 2y to both sides.
Why do you have 31?
No, it's a line showing that I'm doing that one
okay.
first.
So this is a 3. Okay.
Yeah, that's just a 3.
Okay.
So then we would equal that to x equals -3
plus 2y. Perfect. You just rewrite the second equation.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what do I do?
And then we would bring it into the first equation, which would be 7 minus 3 plus 2 y minus 6y equals 19.
Perfect.
And then what we want to do is we want to distribute the 7 to both sides. And it would be, right here would be 14y. Still have a plus right there. And then 7
times 3 is 21.
Yeah, so it'd be negative
Negative
21
minus
6y equals 19. And then since we have 2 y's, we can kind of bring them together and
combine like terms.
Yeah, and 7 or 6 minus 14 is like 8.
8y.
So it's 8y plus
minus 21.
Yeah, negative 21.
Negative 21, sorry.
Equals 19.
19.
And then you can add 21 and add 21. And that would equal out to 8. Y equals oh goodness.
9 plus
30,
1 is 10.
40.
So 40.
Yeah, so 40. And then you want to divide by 8.
8.
And
8 goes 40 5 times.
Okay, so it'd be 5. So then y would equal 5 positive. And then you can pop that 5 up right here. So 2 times 5 is 10. So -3 plus 10 equals 8. So 6. No, it equals 7. So x equals 7. And then we can plug that in right here
to see if it's correct.
Yeah. So 7 minus 10 equals -3. So it works for that one.
How about this one?
7 times 7. Oh, goodness gracious.
49.
49.
Write that down here. 49
minus times 5 is 30.
That is equal to
19.
Yeah. So
that's the answer.
How many solutions do we have?
Only one.
Yeah. So the final solution is 7,5.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's good. So that was, what was the method? Name of the method? Is this substitution?
Substitution,
yeah.
Okay,
substitution.
It's eliminating by substitution.
Okay. And then now, can you do the same question by doing elimination?
Elimination was like the last one I did, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So copy this question. 7 minus 6y, that is equal to 19. And then x minus 2y, that is equal to -3.
And then we can multiply this bottom by 7.
Good. By using elimination.
Yeah.
To cancel 7. So 7x, okay.
So it'd be 7x and then... Yeah, my bad.
That's good.
And then it would be 7x minus 14. Y equals I think it was 21, right? 3 times 7 is 21.
Yeah.
Yeah, so -21.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can add, which this is knocked out.
Really?
So we cancel that. Yeah, because, oh shoot, I meant -7. So those are all negative. That would turn to positive, and that would turn to positive.
Slow down. Maybe some students
Yeah.
are not following you. So, say that again. What happened?
So what I did was I multiplied the bottom half with
By
negative 7.
7.
Yeah, I forgot to put the negative. And then that would turn this to be a negative 7 at the
7.
bottom, positive 14, and then a positive 21.
So now you can simply add into
Yeah.
equation. Okay.
And then it'd be 8y equals, goodness, 40. And then we'd have to divide by 8 again, which we already had the answer, and that's 5. So y equals 5.
And then
So
X
then
is
we can plug that up at the top. So we could do 7x minus 6, 5.
5.
And then I can't fit that, but just
That's
pretend there's a
okay.
19 right there.
That's equal to what? 19.
Yeah, 19. And then this would be 30, so it'd be
7x minus 30.
7x minus 30 equals 19. You would add 30, and that would equal to
7x is equal to
7x
is equal to 49.
is equal to 40. Yeah, 49. And then you would divide by 7, and that would be 7.
Yeah.
So x equals positive 7.
So which one do you like it better?
So, to be honest, it was a lot quicker to do the substitution, but at the same time, it felt very confusing. So, elimination is probably my favorite.
Okay. So here we happen to discover number 1 is the funky one with the case with infinitely many solutions.
Yeah.
And then number 2
Is,
gives you
one solution.
Do you think one of those has a case for no solution at all?
Honestly, I feel like it might be number 4.
Number 4, why is that?
Just because the x's are both 1 instead of like an actual number. It's just x plus 3y or negative x plus 7y.
But since it's an x and a negative x, hey, since this one has x and negative x,
Yeah.
maybe we can do elimination by just adding. Then you can cancel an x and negative 1x.
Yeah.
And you will have what? 10y.
Yeah.
10y is equal to negative 10. So y being negative 1. And then we can just substitute that value and then have x. So I don't think number 4 is the case with the no solution.
Probably not.
Any thought?
This one only has one number.
This one has only one number. What do you mean by that?
Like, it has x plus y equals 10, which could mean anything. Like 8 as x.
Yeah.
So that one's probably an infinite.
But this one is having another equation with x and y. So we have 2 variables, x and y, but we also happen to have 2 different equations. So we should be able to solve this.
Yeah.
The first one was we happen to have 2 variables, x and y, but they are giving only one equation. That's why we cannot really solve for one solution.
Okay.
Okay, maybe this page, not the case. So I want you to look at the second page, and then if you can find the case where there's no solution existing, no existing solution, that would be wonderful. You don't have to do all if you can discover that part, okay?
Okay.
But by the way, I have to thank you. That was a really good lesson, and I wasn't really thinking about the case number 1. I was
that one was weird.
But it was a nice discover, and I'm sorry that I have to make you to do all this tedious, busy work, but I try to get the point, right?
Yeah.
You got it. So I think you can just start working on this one, and then see if you can.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, yes.
So 3 times x would be 3, times that would be 3, but that would equal up to 15.
Yeah, therefore,
It has
nonsense.
no solution. Yeah.
Good.
I did it.
Yeah, you did
I
it.
did
so
it.
Put no solution. I think you mastered this. That's a great intuition, honey. That was
smart.
wonderful.
I'm so smart.
No, seriously, this was really wonderful. Thank you.